Many email marketing tools providing lots of feature on top of email marketing that is making so many email marketing tools a bit complex to use, and many users are feeling overwhelming to that platform. And that is what exactly this platform, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is solving the pain behind. Other than that, it is offering a free plan that is sufficient if you are a beginner. So the platform I'm talking is called as Email Octopus. Probably you have heard about it, but never thought of giving a try. They are a very laser focused email marketing service provider that I found in the market. They are only providing email marketing service, nothing else, as mentioned on their this landing page. So there is no SMS, no clutter, no paying for extra services that you don't exactly need. So what they are exactly providing, they are providing an email marketing with engaging campaigns, powerful automations that you can create, beautiful automation with tagging features, then effective forms. You can collect the leads by creating a effective forms, and you have a reporting to track your analytics. Other than that, you are getting integration, so you can integrate email marketing with your any external tool. You get a unique template. Those templates are very beautiful, so that you need not have to again and again write the structure of your email. Then you get tags and segmentation, so you can segregate your subscriber across different segments. Now, as I mentioned, they are cheapest in the market. And to back that claim, let me go through pricing plans and show you how it compares with other platforms. So before that, just click on the link mentioned in the description. That will bring you on this page, which is looking like this. From that, you can click on the pricing tab. Once you click on the pricing tab, you will see Email Octopus has clearly mentioned the pricing plan. So their starter plan starts with a free limit, and you can send 10,000 emails per month. And I believe in current market, this is one of the best plan for anyone to start email marketing. So there are other services as well in the market who are providing free plan, but those are so limited that you need to pay before you reach up to 1,000 subscribers. So Email Octopus is basically cutting that for you and providing you best deal. In the free plan, you get reports available for 30 days. You can create a one landing page and one form, and it is accessible for one user. Talking about the cheapest plans, so their plans start with a $9, which is one of the cheapest plan out there in the market. Let me show you how exactly it compares with others. So just scroll a little bit at the bottom of the screen, and you will find a saving calculator. From that, you can see how much exactly Email Octopus is charging you than other competitor, and whether it is really a cheapest one in the market or not. So click on the saving calculator once you scroll on the bottom. When you click on the link mentioned in the description, it is a special link. Once you click on that link and come here, and any plan, you are going to get a discount. Now, once you click on the saving calculator, you will see interface like this. So here, just let me show you example how much it is costing you than other competitor. Let's say, and putting a custom figure, 20,000 subscriber you have currently. So you are going to pay $840 per year. So look at the screen. Your competitors are charging you more. MailChimp is costing you almost 3,000 per year. Keep charging 2,000 plus per year. MailerLite charging almost 1,900 per year, and Constant Contact charge almost 5,000 per year. So this is what exactly the USP and Email Octopus is. So go check Email Octopus from the link mentioned in the description. Let me walk you through the feature before I jump to the closer of this video. So in the feature, you get campaigns automation, drag and drop editor, templates, landing pages, forms. In data, you get a reporting analytics. You can do the integration. All your data is compliance with GDPR, so you may not have to worry about any security breach. Email Octopus is also providing you segmentation in the email, and you get the API and webhook to connect and access Email Octopus. Other than that, Email Octopus have very good support. They are providing live chat that they are claiming that the average response time in the chat within 9 seconds. And they are not just claiming, I have tested it personally, I'm using it. Let me show you my screen, because else you will see that whatever claim I am doing, it is false, but that is not the case. Their live chat is really awesome. Let me show you a real example. When I click here, the chat will be open. Then let's say click on the speak to human, and now start response. Sure, which channel would you like to prefer? I would like to prefer the chat. You can begin by asking your question. One of the team will be here to reply me. So I'm putting question. Do you why get they all the software? Okay. Let's see. I'm typing my email ID as they need. Now let's see. in how much seconds their agent will connect with me. Great. One of the team will be in the chat in a moment. See, wow, great. Within a 1 or 2 second, guys. So this is what the claim they have mentioned, 9 seconds, and I got a response within a 1 to 2 seconds. So I'm really impressed with the support email Octopus is providing. Now, other than that, if I see they have a lots of reviews out there, and I can see on Capita they have a 4.8 rating, on Google they have a 4.7 rating, Facebook 4.9, and Sourceforge 4.9. So they have best value out of the money. So if you are going to start email marketing and confused about which best email marketing tool to provide, then before choosing anything, I will request you to give a try to email Octopus. I have mentioned a link in the description. Once you click on that link, you will get an awesome discount, so that it will be easy for to choose any of the plan. But I will request first log into the free plan, test it and how it goes. If you find it useful, then upgrade to your paid plan. By the way, which email marketing platform are you currently using? Are you planning to switch? Is what problems you are facing with your current email marketing platform? Let me know in the comments, so that I will get to know and I will bring more content like this and help you to choose better tool like this. See you in the next video.